Welcome to Ayurveda Smart E-Classes. Charaka Samhita Chikitsa Sthana. For any doubt, you can just go through this blog. Chapter 3 Jwara Chikitsa. Management of Jwara. Part 1. Adhado Jwara Chikilsitam Vyakyasyamaha Itiha Smaha Bhagavanatreyaha. We shall now explain the chapter on the treatment of Jwara, different types of fever, thus said Lord Atreya. Queries of Agnivesha. Vijwaram, Jwara Sandeham, Paryapuchat, Punarvasu, Vivikte, Shantamasina Agniveshaha, Krithanjalihi. Punarvasu, who was free from all types of diseases, that is Jwara, and was having complete peace of mind, was sitting in a lonely place, where Agnivesha approached him and asked his queries about Jwara with a modest namaskar. Dehendriya Manastapi Sarvaroga Agrajo Bali Jwaraha Pradhano Rogana Mukto Bhagavada Pura Tasya Prani Sapatnasya Dhruvasya Pralayodhaye. O Lord, you have already stated earlier that in Nidhanasthana, Jwara afflicts the body, sense and mind, is the first disease to be manifested and is the principal and the most powerful disease. This enemy of human beings is invariably associated with birth and death of creatures. Pragratim cha, pravartim cha, prabhavam, karanani cha, purvarupam adhishtanam, balakala atma lakshanam. So therefore, kindly elucidate the following points for the benefit of the humanity. Prakriti or nature of disease, pravrti or origin of disease, prabhava the sequel of disease, karana or causative factor, purvarupa or premonitory signs and symptom, adhishtan or place of manifestation, bhalakala or its severity and time of manifestation, atma lakshana or cardinal feature which are invariably associated with this disease. Vyasado Vidibhedacha Pradak Bhinnasya Chakriti Lingamamasya Chirnasya Sa Aushadam cha Kriyakrama. Detail of classification Vidibheda. Signs and symptoms of each type of the disease. Signs and symptoms of Amajwara, that is primary stage of disease. Signs and symptoms of Jirna Jwara, that is chronic stage. Drug for the treatment of the disease. Aushadam. Various therapeutic procedure. Kriya Kramam. Vimunchadaha Prashandasya Chinnam Yacha Pratak. Signs and symptoms that are manifested when the fever is getting cured or when it is alleviated both separately. Jwaravasrishto Rekshyascha Yavat Kalam Yatho Yadaha. The duration for which the patient who has become free from a disease has to avoid certain regimen and reason for that. Prashandaha Karaneki Yascha Punaravartade Jwaraha. The reason for the re-attack of fever after it has subsided. Yascha Abhi Punaravartam Kriyaha Prashamayanditam. The therapies which should be administered in order to alleviate this re-attack of this fever. Jagaddidartham tat sarvam bhagavan vaktumarhasi tad agniveshasya vajo nishamya guru rabravait jwaradhikare yadvachyam tat saumya nikhilam srunu. After hearing this statement of Agnivesha, the preceptor Atreya replied, all this will be explained in this chapter on the description of fever. O benevolent one, listen to the details. Synonyms of Jwara. Jwara vikaro rogascha vyadhiradanga evacha ego artho nama paryayehi vividehi abhidhiyade. Synonyms of Jwara are Jwara, Vikara, Roga, Vyadhi and Adhanga. These terms are synonymous and used to indicate this condition. Prakriti or nature of Jwara. Tasya prakrtiruddishta doshaha sharira manasaha dehinam nahi nirdosham jwaraha samubasevade. The three physical doshas and the two manasika dosha are the natural factor responsible for Jwara, as Jwara cannot originate in a person having the balance of these three dosha. that is nirdosha in the state of homeostasis. Therefore, these Sharirika and Manasika dosha are the Prakriti of Jwara. So, Jwara Prakriti means Sharirika dosha and Manasika dosha. Kshayastamo Jwaraha, Papma Mrityuho cha Ukta Yamatmagaha. Kshaya, emaciation, Tama, feeling of entering into darkness, Jwara, Papma, manifestation of sinful act, and Mrityu, death, are all the various presentation of Yamaraja, Lord of Death. Panchatva Pratyayanam Nranam Klishyadham Svena Karmana. These are the causes of death, that is Panchatva, in individuals suffering from various grievances due to their own deeds, Svena Karmana, and hence have been accepted as equivalent to Yama or Lord of Death. Ityasya Prakritihi Prokta. In this way, the Prakriti of Jwara has been described. Pravritti, origin of the disease. Pravrittistu parigraha. The origin of Jwara is because of the tendency for greed or attachment. That is a parigraha. Nidhane purvamuddishta Rudra Kobacha Dharunat. It has been described earlier in the Nidhana Sthana that the origin of Jwara resulted from the ferocious wrath of Rudra, Lord Shiva. Dvidiye hi yuge Sharva Makroda Vradamastidham. During the Treta Yuga, that is the second age, Lord Shiva took a vow of not manifesting anger or wrath for 1000 celestial years. Divyam Sahasram Varshanam Asura Abhidudruvaho Tabo Vigna Nashanaha Kartum Tabo Vignam Mahatmanaha. During this time, the Asura indulged in creating obstruction, playing mischiefs, and destroying the sacrament and the meditation of the rishis. Pashyan Samartascha Ubeksham Chakre Dakshaha Prajapatihi Punarmaheshwaram Bhagam Dhruvam Dakshaha Prajapatihi Yajne Na Kalpayamasa Prochamanaha Surei Rapi. Daksha Prajapati was capable of combating this demon, but he ignored his duty of opposing these demons and further organized a yajna in which he did not offer any share to Lord Shiva in spite of being told to do so by other lords. Rijaha Pashubadayoho cha Shaiva Ahatayaha cha Yaha Yajna Siddhi Pradastabihi Heenam Chaiva Sa Ishtavan. He even did not chant the hymns described in the Veda of Lord Shiva, which provide fulfillment to the desired objective of yajna, and even did not offer ahuti, that is, pouring of ghee in the sacrificial fire, to Lord Shiva. Adotirna Vrato Devo Budva Daksha Vyadikramam Rudro Raudram Puraskritya Bhavam Atma Vidhatmanaha. Lord Shiva perceived whole of this situation regarding Daksha Prajapati's non-observance of rules and became angry. Srishtva Lelade Chakshurvai Dagdva Tanasuran Prabhu Balam Krodha Agni Sandaptam Asrajit Satra Nashanam. He then brought forward his Raudra Bhava and opened his third eye, destroying all those demons by burning them, and further gave rise to a child-like form named Veerabhadra to his Rath, who was stuffed with anger and was capable of destroying the yajna of Daksha. Tado yajnaha sa vidvasto vyadidascha divaugasaha daha vyatha paridascha bhranda bhuda ganadishaha. That child demolished the yajna of Daksha Prajapati, as a result of which the gods got afflicted with burning sensation and pain and started running in different directions and become afflicted. Adeshwaram Devaganaha Saha Saptarshi Bihi Vipum Tam Rigbihi Rastuvan Yavat Shaive Bhave Shivahastitaha. Then the gods, along with the 7 rishis, offered those substantial hymns to Lord Shiva till he became pleased and switched over to his Shiva form. Shivam Shivaya Bhudanam Stidam Nyatva Kridhanchalihi Biya Basma Praharanaha Tri Shira Navalochanaha Jwala Mala Kulo Raudro Hraswa Jangodaraha Kramat Krodha Agni Ruktavan Deva Maham Kim Karavani Te. When it was known that Lord Shiva's returned to his auspicious disposition, then Veerabhadra, who has produced from the wrathful fire of Lord Shiva, who had 3 heads and 9 eyes, used ash as his weapon, had the flame of his fire as his garland, was wrathful, had free at full, and small thighs and stomach approached Lord Shiva with folded hands and enquired about his future work. Tam uvaja Ishvaraha Krodam Jwaro Loke Bhavishyasi Janmado Nidhane cha Tu Abajarandareshu cha. Lord Shiva replied to him that you will become Jwara in this world and afflict people in the beginning of life, at birth, and at the time of death, and will also afflict those who will resort to erratic regimen. So here ends the first part. Thank you for watching our video. Please like our channel Ayurveda Smart E-Classes. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates. Also, don't forget to post your doubts in the comment section for more clarification. Thank you.